Okay, so you guys have asked how to fill in your text whenever you're using your sketch pens. So first, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to create a text. And I'm going to pick a font for that text. Now, usually you want to do a line text, and a line text will have closer lines. There's not as much to fill in, but for this I'm going to use a wider font that would need to be filled in. And then you want to weld it so that all the letters are touching and connected. Now for this I'm going to make my font big. You can make it whatever size you want. After you get done typing, you can size it down or have it looking the way you want it. And then once you have it the way you want it, over here, and you want to make sure you have everything selected. Over here on your panel is a line effects panel. And in that line effects panel, you have all these different effects. Now, if I do grid, it puts grid marks inside it. If I do line, it has line marks inside of it. If I do this one, it goes around and around the outside of the font until it's filled in. This one has a swirl effect. Now, I'm going to use this one. This is the one that I used, or I've used this one. But if you do this one, and you go down here to the spacing, you can adjust how much spacing is in between those lines that you're drawing. Now if I go bigger, there's less lines inside. If I go smaller, there's more lines inside until you go all the way to the bottom and the spacing is completely filled in. So once the spacing is completely filled in, you have a filled in font. Once your font is filled in and you're happy with it, all is good. And if you use a smaller text, see if I can get it. If you use a smaller text, you can always zoom into your panel to see what it's going to look like as a smaller print. Once you are happy with the size, you're happy with the fill, that everything is filled in, you go over to your send panel. You make sure that you have your sketch pen or whatever pen you're using. Cameo 4 has pen adapters, so I could use my scribble pens or something with my pen adapter in my pen carrier. The pen carrier goes in the first slot on your Cameo 4 if you're using a Cameo 4. Cameo 3, I'm not sure. I haven't used a Cameo 3. Once you're done, you want to select your type of material. I tried it with the cardstock heavy because that's the kind of material I was using. But when I did that, it gave me such a heavy force that as it was filling in, and that pen is going to go over the same places over and over and over again, it stuck the back of my material too much to the mat. So you want a really light mat, a light stick mat. If you have the standard stick mat, you can take a t-shirt or a towel and dab it onto the mat to make the mat not as sticky. That way, whenever you pull it off, or you can just downplay the force. You can click this force down until the force isn't so much that it's trying to jab the pen into the paper, because what happens is that material will stick to the mat so much that when you go to pull your material off your mat, it'll rip the backing off of your paper. So you want to have a lighter force and a light stick mat so that you're not pulling up your back of your paper off of your paper when you're pulling it off the mat. Once you're done with that, you just press send. You send your document to the Cameo, it'll start etching it in, and once you're done, you will have a filled in font. So there you go. Happy crafting, and I hope that helped you out.